when I came to Bombay, I visited the Wockhardt Hospital, and I was being told to go to Dr. Mudit Khanna, who is the orthopedic surgeon in Mumbai. He treated me and he saw all my photographs, and he told me that you have not to replace whole your knee surgery, just a unique compartment that is a new technology now in Mumbai. So he admitted me to his hospital. On Saturday morning, they took me to OT, and my doctor Mudit Khanna operated me, and the operation took 1.5 hours. The operation, everything was fine, and they kept me around an hour in OT for recovery the same day on Saturday. After 6 hours of my operation, I was worried. The physiotherapist came to my room and he said, "You have to start walking now, sir." I said, "No, I cannot walk." He said, "No, this is the new technology that Dr. Mudit Khanna has put for you, and you have to walk by any means." So he took me for around 4 to 5 steps, and I was very much impressed. On the same day, he told me to walk. On Sunday again, the physiotherapist came for the walking for about 10 more steps, 11 steps. On Monday again, second day, and today is my third day. He took me to the climb staircases again, about 4 or 5 staircases, and this the third day. I am going to be released back to my hotel, and after 2-3 days I am going back to Tanzania. I am very impressed with Wockhardt Hospital. I would suggest all who need to do knee replacement or uni compartment should visit Wockhardt Hospital and see Dr. Mudit Khanna. I will be failing in my duty if I would not say thank you to the management of the Wockhardt Hospital. The Wockhardt Hospital, thank you very much. Thank you once again. Thank you so much.